Hello, brothers and sisters. You are welcome back to our channel, Afro Natural, where we discuss natural therapy, natural beauty, and natural health. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you something that you can use to get rid permanently the toothache problems you'll be having. You don't need to be going to hospital to remove your teeth again. Rather, nature has blessed us with something that we can use. It's rather in the house there, lying fallow. We don't need to spend money for this. And I used to say that there is no health problem or health challenge that does not have a natural cure. Nature has answer for all these problems. Now, let's get into it. We are going to be getting coconut and salt. Coconut and salt, just very little salt. So what are we going to be doing with the ingredients? One, the coconut, you break it open. Once you break it open, you remove the water, then remove the meat inside. What you need is the shell. That means the cover of the coconut is the shell, is what you need. Just break it into pieces. Get a clean pot, add a very clean water, a sterile water, then add a little salt, and you are going to be cooking this. Cook it for like 20 minutes, minimum of 20 minutes. You can cook it for more. Let it be minimum of 20 minutes. Once it is cooked properly, put it down from the fire. Let it cool. Once it is cool, then get a cup. You are going to be using it to gargle. Just get a cup, put the water in your mouth. You are using it to gargle. Gargle very well. Like this, you gargle very well. Use it to gargle very well. Then, or you use it to flush. You are not drinking it. Don't drink it. You are just using it to gargle. Gargle and spit it out. If you can spit it into something and you see all the bacteria and the things that are troubling that mouth, you see it, everything, you see it yourself. But if you cannot, just pour it out. Don't drink it. Then you are going to be doing this 3 times in a day. In the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. You do this 3 days. That means three times. And you do it consecutively for 3 days. After 3 days, you notice a very big improvement in your health. Those pains, those toothache, that teeth that you want to go and remove in the hospital, you won't need to go again. And there's nothing stopping you from doing it for like 7 days. If you can do it for 7 days, the best. And this will cure it permanently. It's very simple. It's not cost you anything. You are not drinking it. If you are afraid that I don't want to, you are not drinking it. You are just using it to gargle. And it is natural. It does not have side effects. This video is needed by so many people. And you are the only one that can let it get to other people who have similar problems. Just share this video to them, like it and share it. Leave your comment. Go to the comment box. Leave your comment. Let me know. If you don't know what to write, just write thank you, and I'll greatly appreciate that, because YouTube will use that to suggest this video to so many other people. Until I come your way again, remain blessed.